Hey there, folks. Anthony Speciale here with Big Energy Profits. I just want to share another exciting day in the books for you that our subscribers had the opportunity to once again capitalize on the market moves. The market has been volatile this week. There's been plenty of movements which present plenty of opportunities. Our daily trade ideas today, manifested another two target winner. We suggested this morning that had price broke 37.45, that the likeliness is it would have traveled down to 37.20, profiting you $250 per contract traded. And the second target was at 36.70, which would have paid you a $750 per contract traded in that position. Now, the third target was out there at 36.30. The market never broke down that far. So you would have had to manage your third position had you not, had you taken those two positions. Guys, I just want to, revert back to this is not part of the alert service, but I'm giving you the tools that if you want to actively day trade the market, that we're producing those opportunities for you. The idea here is to give you everything, all the access and knowledge that you could possibly need, so that if you want to take these tiny little base hit, trades. There was offers of several $1,000s on the table today, trading with very, very small position sizes. And I just want you to be aware. If you're already a member of Big Energy Profits, you should be looking at, our daily market analysis and trade ideas. If you're not a member of Big Energy Profits yet, clearly you need to be, because, you left probably $5,000 or $6,000 on the table this week that you didn't get to take advantage of. So I want to share this with you. I also want to wish you a great weekend, a blessed weekend, and that everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. I know we're living in crazy times, but I just want... No, I want to send you my well wishes for the weekend. Everybody here is in my thoughts, and I really truly hope everyone is doing well. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves, and we'll talk to you next week.